Hello everyone, let us solve the CSAT PYQ. For 1 by 3 less than x less than y less than 2, which of the following statements is or are always correct? So first statement is x plus 1 by x is less than y plus 1 by y. Since x is less than y, let us take x as 1 by 2 and y as 3 by 2. So x plus 1 by x will become 1 by 2 plus 2, which is equal to 2.5, and y plus 1 by y will become 3 by 2 plus 2 by 3. So 3 by 2 is 1.5 and 2 by 3 is 0.67. So this comes out to be 2.17. Since 2.5 is not less than 2.17, statement 1 is not correct. Now let us look at statement 2. Statement 2 says that under root of 1 plus y square upon y is less than under root of 1 plus x square upon x. Since x and y are both positive, we can square both sides without changing the sign of the inequality. So squaring both sides, we get 1 plus y square upon y square is less than 1 plus x square upon x square. Simplifying it further, we get 1 upon y square plus 1 is less than 1 upon x square plus 1. Cancelling 1 on both sides, we get 1 upon y square is less than 1 upon x square. Now we know that x is less than y. So 1 upon x square will always be greater than 1 upon y square. So this is same as this. Hence statement 2 is always correct. And the correct option is option B, statement 2 only. If you found this video useful, please like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you tomorrow with another CSAT PYQ. Thank you.